In fall protection, there are three main recognized categories for climbing expertise. The first level is Authorized Climber. The second level is Competent Climber. And lastly, there is Competent Rescuer. This course will cover the regulations and standards that govern anchorages, components and their use, recognizing and responding to hazards, equipment used and the standards that govern, and inspection of equipment. By definition, an authorized climber is an individual with the physical capability to climb who may or may not have had previous climbing experience and has been trained in fall protection regulations, the equipment that applies to their type of work, and instruction for the proper use of the equipment. At the completion of this course, it is the employer's responsibility to pair the authorized climber with a competent climber to ensure that the new climber understands how to don, adjust, and use the equipment that the company supplies. The authorized climber must also be paired with a competent climber when work starts. Fall protection equipment has made vast improvements over where it was just 10 years ago. Anymore, if you use your equipment correctly 100% of the time, you should feel confident that you are safe while working at a height. It is no secret that there are inherent risks that come along with working in this industry. Most times when fatalities occur, it is an instance where an individual is not wearing their equipment. The equipment is not attached or is not being used correctly. To give you an idea of how important it is to work safely, we have listed statistics for all fatalities in the last 8 years. The regulations and standards that govern the telecommunication industry for fall protection come from several areas. We will cover those areas in detail so you become familiar with the regulations that apply to you. The federal, state, and provincial regulations that govern our industry in most cases lack the detail to give us good guidance. As a result, best practice standards have been developed. The industry standards we are referring to are American National Standards Institute, which will be referred to in the future as ANSI, and the Canadian Safety Association, which will be referred to in the future as CSA.